Welcome back to the Impact Investing channel. This week has been full of big news in renewable energy, from the US smashing records in solar and battery storage, to European wind stocks rallying, to fresh developments in the UK and India. All of this isn't just about clean power, it could shape the future of the stock market and where smart capital flows next. Let's break it down. First up, the United States is heading for a record year in renewables. According to the US Energy Information Administration, solar could account for half of all new electricity capacity in 2025. That's about 33 gigawatts. And battery storage is surging too, building on the record 10 gigawatts added last year. For investors, this shows a structural shift. Renewables aren't just growing, they're dominating new energy capacity. That means more opportunity in ETFs, solar manufacturers, and companies tied to grid storage. It's not only about emissions, wind and solar are reshaping rural communities. In states like Iowa and Kansas, landowners are earning up to $10,000 a year per turbine, plus tax revenues and local jobs. This is key. It makes renewables politically resilient. When communities benefit directly, those projects are harder to roll back. And that stability is great news for long-term investors. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Forecasts for US solar installations between 2026 and 2030 have been cut by nearly 27%, thanks to US policy changes and subsidy rollbacks. At the same time, natural gas capacity is expanding faster than wind or solar in some markets. That tells us one thing. While the clean energy trend is strong, policy still matters, and it can slow growth if incentives shift. Meanwhile, in Europe, policy clarity had the opposite effect, when the US Treasury confirmed that renewable developers still qualify for tax credits if projects begin construction by 2026. European wind giants like Vestas and Ørsted surged. Vestas jumped more than 13%. One clear policy update was enough to send confidence, and stock prices soaring. The lesson: policy can move markets, sometimes by unlocking new growth, sometimes by slowing it down. As investors, understanding that dynamic is key when you're looking at renewable energy stocks. So what's the big picture here? Renewables are hitting record growth, especially solar and storage. Community benefits make these projects resilient to political shifts. Policy remains the biggest risk and the biggest opportunity. And when clarity comes, stocks can rally hard, just like we saw with Vestas. The clean energy transition is happening, and investors have a front row seat. Whether it's solar, wind, storage, or hydro, the choices we make with our portfolios can both shape the planet and drive long-term returns. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment with which renewable sector excites you most, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates every week. Quick note, this isn't financial advice, just research and insights to help you explore opportunities. Always do your own homework before investing.